Okay, time to make the Fat Vito, an infinitely superior sandwich to the Skinny Gino. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take some ham and layer a good amount. We don't give a fuck about health here at Fat Vito's. Unlike that skinny soy boy faggot Skinny Gino. Then you want to take some salami. Place it on the other part of your bread. And notice I use nice little fat Tellur rolls. Not those skinny baguettes Gino uses. God, I hate that guy. Then you want to take some pepperoni and layer a good double layer on it. Don't skimp out on pepperonis. Then, because everything is better with it, add a good layer of bacon to each sandwich. And eat a piece of bacon for yourself. Then, on one side of this sandwich, you want to add a slice of provolone cheese. And then struggle with the goddamn bag to get the mozzarella open. But then add a mozzarella to the other slice. And then, by the way, you should have your oven preheated to 400 degrees. Little freshly ground black pepper. And pop them in for about 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes has passed, your Fat Vito is done. Just put the one side on top of the other. And cut this down the middle. Giving you a nice, wonderful pull apart. And that's how you make the much better Fat Vito and fuck Skinny Gino.